I'm Monster 1970. Today I'm going to be cleaning out the fuel tank on my 1985 Honda Shadow VT700C. Okay, let's take a look inside this tank. It's been soaking full of vinegar for almost a week now. I'm going to shake it up a little bit and then drain her out. Okay, I flushed the whole tank out. I don't know if you can see, but it's not as good as where I would like it. Probably switch it around in here. I'll pick up some, put my magnet in there and pick up some more rust. But it's better. This bike's got a good fuel filter on it, so I'm hoping that that will keep the rust from passing through it. I'm going to fill her up with distilled water and some baking soda and clean it out with that, and then probably dry it out with my heat gun, and that should be it. First I'm going to dump some baking soda in there. Fill her up with water. Shake her up a little bit. Let's take a lookie in there. Let's loosen up a little bit. Now I'm going to pull this plug off. If I need to use a pair of pliers. Woo! Should probably take it outside first. See what comes out of her. Plug in. I'm going to put the rest of this baking soda in. Try it out. Take her out here, shake her up a little bit. Put my hand over that plug. A little heavy with 2 gallons of water in there. Get out the heat gun and try to dry it out a little bit. Okay, I'm going to clean this tank off a little bit. Previous owner told me that this is just tree sap. Let's see if he was lying. He said, oh, the paint's really good underneath there. It's still bad. I'm using some of the Simple Green Pro HD degreaser. It's better, but it's still horrible. I'm going to use this rag on it. So going through a million paper towels. It's not a horrible paint job, but it's pretty bad. It's very rough. It was, I guess, painted and never sanded. A couple little dents in it. There's a dent right here and there's a dent right there. That's a big one. Deep one. Okay, I'm gonna heat her up again. I'm gonna dry her out the rest of the way. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Well, I think that should about do it. I'll clean her up a little bit. But I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. This is Wonkster 1970. Until the next time, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.